Hi, welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with data collection, meaning, definition, and types of data collection. Clear to it? Okay. As you all know, in previous session we have started with the chapter, and we are about to end with the chapter. There is only two more concepts which I need to explain in this chapter, and the chapter will be about to end. Today's topic for the session is data collection method, definition, etc. ठीक है. Let's start with the explanation part of it. Data is a collection of facts, figures, objects, symbols, and events gathered from different sources. Organization collect data to make better decision. Without data, it would be difficult for the organization to make appropriate decisions, and so data is collected at variable various point in time from different audience. For instance, before launching a new product, an organization need to collect data on product demand, customer preference, competitions, competitors, etc. In case data is behave, not collected beforehand, the organization newly launched product may lead to failure for many reasons such as less demand and inability to meet customer need. Although data is available assets for every organization, it does not serve any purpose until analyzed or proceed to get the desired result. You can categorize data methods into primary method of data कलेक्शन एंड सेकेंडरी मेथड ऑफ प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी कलेक्शन. देखो डेटा क्या होता है, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम मार्केट से कलेक्ट करते हैं. नॉट ओनली इन्फॉर्मेशन, फैक्ट्स, फिगर्स, ऑब्जेक्ट, सिम्बॉल्स, इवेंट gathered from different sources for solving the research problem, that is called as data collection. data collection के दो टाइप्स होते हैं, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी. प्राइमरी मतलब फर्स्ट हैंड सोर्सेज, जो खुद जाकर इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की जाती है, जैसे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चनर, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, सर्वे, ऐसे. और सेकेंडरी मेथड मतलब बुक्स, मैगजीन्स के ज़रिए से जब आप डेटा कलेक्ट करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सेकेंडरी मेथड. क्लियर टू इट? ओके. फर्स्ट वन, लेट्स एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल primary method of data collection. Primary data is collected from the first hand experience and it not used in the past. The data gathered for primary data collection method are specific to the research motive and highly accurate. Primary data collection method can be divided into two categories: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative method. Quantitative techniques for market research and demand forecasting usually makes use of statistical tools. In these techniques, demand is forecasted based on historical data. This method of primary data collection are generally used to make long-term forecast. Statistical methods are highly reliable as the element of subjectivity is minimum in this method. First one, time series analysis. Time series analysis refers to a sequential order of value of variable known as trend of equal time interval. Using pattern or organizational can predict the demand for its product and services for the projected time. Next is smoothing technique. In case where the time series lacks significant trend, smoothing technique can be used. These they eliminate a random variation from the historical demand. It helps in identifying patterns and demand level to estimate future demand. The most common method used in smoothing demand forecasting techniques are single moving average method and the weighted moving average method. Next, a biometric method, also known as the leading indicator approach. Researchers use this method to specialize future trend based on current development. When the past events are considered to predict the future event, they act as a leading indicators. Then next one है qualitative method. Qualitative methods are specially used in the situation where historical data is not available, for there is no need of number or numerical calculation. Qualitative is closely associated with words, sound, feeling, emotions, color, and other elements that are non qualified. These techniques are based on experiments, judgments, introduction, injections, emotions, etc. Qualitative methods do not provide the motive behind participant response, often does not react under presented population and span long period to collect the data. Hence, it is best to combine quantitative method with qualitative method. First, a qualitative में survey. Survey are used to collect data from the single targeted audience and gather insight into their preference, options, choice, and feedback related to their product and service. Most survey software offer a wide range of question type to select. You can also use a ready-made survey template to save a time and efforts. Online survey can be customized as per the business brand by changing the theme, logo, etc. They can be distributed through several distribution channels such as emails, websites, online apps, QR code, social media, etc. Depending upon the types and source of your audience, you can select the channel. Once the data is collected, survey software can generate various reports and run analytical algorithm to discover hidden insight. And survey database can give you the statistical related to the response rate, completion rate, filter based on demographic, exports and sharing option, etc. You can minimize the effort spent on online data collected by interacting survey builders with the third party apps. Polls comprises of one single or multiple choice question. When it requires to have a quick poll of the audience sentiments, you can go to poll because they are short lengthed. It is easier to get response from the people. Next, interview. In this method, the interviewer asks questions either face to face or through online telephonic to the respondent. In face to face interview, the interviewer asks a series of questions to the interviewee in person and note down responses. In case it is not feasible to meet the person, the interviewer can go for a telephonic interview. Clear to it? Next one we have is Delphine technique. In this method, market experts are provided with the estimated and assumptions of forecast made by other experts in the industry. Experts may reconsider and review the estimates and assumptions based on the information provided by other experts. The, the concise of all experts on demand forecast constitute the final demand forecast. Then we have group interview, group gossip group, focus groups. Then we have questionnaires. A questionnaire is a printed set of questions, either open-ended or close-ended. The respondent can require to answer based on their knowledge and experiments with the issue concerned. The questionnaire is a part of survey, whereas the questionnaire end goals may or may not be a survey. Secondary method क्या है? Secondary data is a data that has been used in the past. The researcher can obtain data from the source, both internal and external to the organization. Internal source of secondary data: organizational health and safety record, mission and vision statements, financial statements, magazines, sales report, CRM softwares, executive summaries. Then है external source of secondary data: government reports, press release, business journals, libraries, internet. The secondary data method too can involve both quantitative and qualitative technique. Secondary data is easy available and hence less time consuming and expensive as compared to the primary data. However, with the secondary data collected method, the authenticity of the data gathered cannot be verified. What is data? Data is nothing but a fact, expression, thoughts, informations collected on a specific problem from the market or from the organization for carrying out the research is known as data collection. डेटा कलेक्शन आर बेसिकली आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, एक तो है प्राइमरी एंड दूसरा है सेकेंडरी। प्राइमरी डेटा कलेक्शन मेथड वो मेथड है जो इसके पहले किसी ने किया नहीं है, आप फर्स्ट होंगे जो वो डेटा कलेक्ट करने के लिए, और ये ना कहीं मैगजीन्स में अवेलेबल होता है, ना कहीं ये फर्स्ट हैंड सोर्स से होता है, ये रॉ मटेरियल होता है, ठीक है। और ये कैसे अचीव कर सकते हैं आप? टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू से, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू से, सर्वे मेथड से, फिर डेल्फिन टेक्निक से, एक्सेट्रा। नेक्स्ट मेथड जो है वो है सेकेंडरी मेथड। सेकेंडरी मेथड वो मेथड है जो रिसर्च कंपनी के रिसर्च मैगजीन से, रिसर्च जर्नल से, बुक से, इंटरनेट से जब इंफॉर्मेशन लेता है अपने प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सेकेंडरी मेथड। सेकेंडरी मेथड उतना एक्यूरेट नहीं होता है, उस पर ज़्यादा रिलाई नहीं कर सकते एज कम्पेयर टू प्राइमरी मेथड। क्लियर टू इट? Okay, if you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.